ফটো কথা বলে, এই লাইনটার সাথে আমরা খুব পরিচিত। আমাদের হাজার হাজার শব্দ কোথাও কোথাও একটা ফটোর সামনে হার মেনে যায়, যদি ফটো ফটোর মতো হয়। আমাদের সাথে আজকে এমনই একজন পারফর্মিং আর্টস ফটোগ্রাফার আছে। পরিচয় করার আগে বলবো, আমরা অনেক পরিচিত মুখ হয়তো কিছুদিন ধরে দেখছিলাম ত্রিপুরার। আজকে আমরা পেয়ে গেছি ভারতবর্ষের একজন খুব পরিচিত মুখ। হয়তো আপনারাও এই নামটা শুনেছেন অনেকবার। ডিডি ত্রিপুরার এই চর্চা প্রোগ্রামে শিবশ্রী শান্ডিল্যকে অনেক স্বাগত। নমস্কার স্যার, ওয়েলকাম টু আগরতলা।
I welcome all the DD Tripura viewers for this Atal Kavya Kalanarthan show.
हाँ, तो आप बहुत दिनों से यहाँ पर है, मतलब इस फील्ड में है, तो पहले मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि शुरुआत कैसे हुई?
Okay, coming to art, basically I was a photographer in the technology space and then moved on to the art industry, shooting classical dance pictures, and with that I had a love with the classical art and other art forms of India. So in what way to project Indian cultural heritage, I thought, and then started my organization, International Art and Cultural Foundation, which I happen to be the डायरेक्टर ऑफ इंटरनेशनल आर्ट एंड कल्चर फाउंडेशन।
आपका जो फाउंडेशन है, मतलब इंटरनेशनल आर्ट एंड कल्चर फाउंडेशन, उसका शुरुआत कब हुआ और कैसे हुआ? आपने सोचा कहाँ से कि ऐसा कुछ शुरू करे?
ओके, देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ डर्थ स्पेस टू परफॉर्म फॉर आर्टिस्ट. Hearing get me a platform to perform by the artists. So I thought, what better way so that let me start an organization. I started a non-profit organization promoting art and culture. How can I differentiate from the other art organization, I thought, and then started thinking a focused events, especially beat it with the world's first ever transgender art festival I organized, and an exclusive all women's festival in various art forms where women was also not there. I've tried to get them onto the stage, making a group, especially like a Sanskrit women singing group or a Sanskrit theatre group, or beat it with exclusive Harikatha festival or a harmonium festival, like that. Very focused events I started doing over the years, that too especially celebrating women artists across the world.
Okay, then if I am not wrong, you are in this field from last 30 years almost.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, इस 30 years में कुछ यादें अगर शेयर करें हमारे साथ?
First thing I can say, getting the transgenders, especially the classical dancers in the transgender community, onto the stage. It was a very nice experience for me, getting them an exclusive festival. It was a unique thing in the world where all were started talking about it, that there is one more gender onto the stage in the performance of the art circle. It was a path-breaking festival. I really liked that.
ओके, सो अभी तक कितने परफॉर्म किए हैं आप लोगों ने?
Okay, coming to do with this Atal Kavya Kalanarthan. It's an unique festival trying to bring Bharat Ratna Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee's poetry in the visual format to the world. That is what my intentions were. That too in this pandemic, where we couldn't go out anywhere, in the lockdown position. Everybody was thinking that it is a bad time for us, but for me to think about this project, I had lot of time, and then I worked on this project for
Okay,
nearly 6 months.
Okay, so it started on lockdown.
Yes, exactly. When the lockdown started, I thought of this festival, trying to get in Atal Bihari Vajpayee's poetry to the younger generations.
ये जो अटल कव्य कला नृत्यन है, इसके बारे में विस्तार से अगर आप बोले कि ये शुरू कहाँ से हुआ, ये थीम कैसा है, और फिर सोचा कैसे कि ऐसे कुछ करें हम?
when I was thinking about this, first thing to my mind came what to keep the name. That's how when I called Dr. Shatabdani Ganesh, a Sanskrit scholar in Karnataka, I talked to him about this and asked him for a title. Immediately within seconds he told Atal Kavya Kalanarthan. What a nice name to keep it as a title. And then I thought how to present Atalji's poem to the common man. Then without changing the language of the poetry, keeping in Hindi itself, I thought let me include all the classical art forms, 8 classical art forms of India into this. So thought of Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Mohiniyattam, Kathak, Manipuri, Kshatriya and Odissi too. So with this sort of a amalgamation of the entire India will be added to this festival or this series I thought of. And every year since I do an all women's festival, I thought of presenting exclusively women artists in this across the world, showcasing Atalji's very selective poems through the visual medium, because poetry is one you can read, but showcasing any poetry through visual medium, there will be lot of advantages to know more about the poem, and also for the artist also it is an enriching experience to know more about Atalji's poetry, because half of them or most of them know Atalji as a politician, but his other side as a poet, I thought let me present in a visual medium. That is what my idea was.
Okay. तो अभी इस नर्तन में मतलब कितने परफॉर्मर है?
Okay, this I started on his birthday, December 25th, across Bangalore, New Delhi, and his birthplace in Gwalior. In each places, it's different artists, Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathak, Odissi, and Mohiniyattam. In some states, I won't get a South, if I go to a North India, I won't get a South Indian dancer. So it is a difficult one, and so I try to make them fly from a South India to North India, or when I'm doing in South India, I try to make them fly from North India to South India. So it depending on the place and the availability of the classical dancers over there, I am trying to do this event.
अभी तक इस अटल काव्य कला नर्तन कितने जगह पर हुआ है और मतलब कितना परफॉर्म किया हुआ है?
Okay, this is the 6th state I am covering. I have covered Karnataka, then Delhi, and Madhya Pradesh. So, and now I have come to West Bengal. After this, I am going to Uttar Pradesh to Lucknow.
Okay. अब मैं बोलना चाहूँगी कि आप फ्यूचर में इसके बारे में और क्या सोचे हैं और इसके बारे में फ्यूचर में क्या सोचेंगे?
First thing I want to tell about the poetry itself. If at all, if you talk, anybody talks about poetry in the world, first thing to their mind it comes West Bengal, because it's the land of the Rasarushi, Rabindranath Tagore ji. So nobody can forego that. If you are talking about poetry, they have to talk about Rabindranath Tagore. He is the Rashtrakavi, and I come from the land of Rashtrakavi Kuvempu. So with those two in my mind, I thought, let me introduce the Rasarushi of the modern times, Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, to the art lovers of the India and across the world. So, because with this, we'll try to understand the kind of political leadership what India has enjoyed under the leadership of Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and his poetry getting across to all the art lovers. It has been an interesting one, because most of them would have known Atalji as a poet, but showcasing those poetry through a performances through visually is a lot of impact, because I have seen people telling that oh, we have not seen this kind of performances. That too, I never dreamt that his poetry can be shown in this form also. So I really thank the music ensemble of this Shri D.S. Srivatsa or Ganesh Desai, who have really worked hard to get a beautiful songs of Atalji's poetry for me to showcase.
फ्यूचर में इसके साथ और कुछ प्लान किया हुआ है और कुछ ज्वाइन करना चाहेंगे आप?
Yeah, right now I have Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathak, Odissi and Manipuri, Mohiniyattam. Whereas now in this lockdown itself, I have recorded two more. One is Manipuri and Kshatriya, which across the northeast, I'll be adding those two also, sort of a 7 artist Saptaswara to this Atal Kavya Kalanartham.
हम अभी तक देखें कि आप सब कुछ क्लासिकल के ऊपर ही कर रहे हैं, तो आपका कुछ ऐसा प्लान है कि क्लासिकल टू फॉग और फॉग में भी कुछ इंटरेस्ट है आपका?
When it comes to classical to folk, when I was going through the poems, through the help of one of a Hindi professor, I got to know more about Vajpayee ji and also his poetry. But the poems that till now what I have selected was in line with classical forms, because there was a lot of navarasas in his poems where the artist could really depict. In the folk forms it is more vigor and things like that, but right now I thought, since most of my programs, festivals are focused, so now this one I have kept it specifically focused on classical dance forms of India.
मैंने देखा कि पोएम्स के बारे में आपका बहुत नॉलेज है और फिर आपने एक किया भी अटल जी की पोएम के ऊपर। तो अगर पोएम की बात करें तो आपने कहा कि टैगोर जी तो आएगा ही, और आप जब यहाँ पर है त्रिपुरा में, और त्रिपुरा के साथ टैगोर का कुछ रिश्ता है, इतने बार आया है उन लोगों ने वो यहाँ पर, तो आप यहाँ पर रह के त्रिपुरा में टैगोर के बारे में क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
With a program on poems, I can't leave Rabindranath Tagore. If you take across the world, any art form will be under the umbrella of Rabindranath Tagore. Either Rabindra Kalakshetra or Rabindra Bharati, or you name the institution or the halls, it is named after Rabindranath Tagore. Coming to this West Bengal and especially now in Tripura, it is so nice. With the process of this event, I started knowing more about Rabindranath Tagore and Atalji through their poems. And I got to know Atalji was great by heart, and also say with Rabindranath Tagore also with his poems, his first recognition was got in Tripura by the then king, which was honored Rabindranath Tagore for his works. It is so nice coming to this state and showcasing Atalji, that to the land of Rabindranath Tagore. I am really happy from my bottom of my heart to present Atalji's poems through classical dances to the Tripura and especially Agartala audience in this national level book fair which is happening this week.
Lastly, thank you so much from DD Tripura, and best of luck from today's performance.
To end at this point of time, I should really thank Department of ICA of Government of Tripura for giving me a platform to showcase through the well-known classical dancers of West Bengal at the national level book fair. And especially I should thank Subrata Chakraborty for taking a key role in getting us all the way from Bangalore to showcase to the Agartala audience. I really thank from my bottom of my heart for this nice interview to DD Tripura.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার। এতক্ষণ ধরে আমরা কথা বলছিলাম শ্রীবাস্র শান্ডিল্যজি। ওনার থেকে আমরা অনেক কিছু জানলাম, অনেক কথা শুনলাম ওনার থেকে। ওনাকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ ত্রিপুরা এসে আমাদের সাথে এতক্ষণ চর্চায় থাকার জন্য।